Hey guys, welcome back to my channel you all. So today is 13th of March and time right now is almost 9 a.m. and I have exam today, which is FT7 I guess, yeah. And as much as it's hard to admit, but I'm not prepared. I'm very sad about it. And I was preparing well for this test. Like I had 3 days after NBTS. Before NBTS I was sick and also just to leave about NBTS. I know you wanna know score of NBTS, but that was just bad. That was the lowest score that I ever got. I might tell maybe after this test. Maybe in this video right now I'm not telling. दिखा दूंगी तुमको, दिखाना रहेगा तो उसको छोड़ो. उसके बाद there were 3 days in which I could prepare for FT and I was like I can prepare very easily, and I prepared also for 2 days. I was pretty consistent doing everything, and those 2 days were nice, like you have seen in the last video. Then tomorrow's day was very bad for me. It was just, I was so frustrated, irritated, whatever you wanna say, and it was just very bad. And I know you guys are also angry with me that I haven't uploaded. Trust me, it was not my mistake. There was some problem, which it's like sometimes things are just not in your hand, and I hate that. But like I just can't do anything about it. Anyways, so exam lunch, and I was like, as I said, I'm not that prepared. Like biology भी मैंने just सारे के सारे chapters like एक बार ही पढ़े, like रिवाइज नहीं किया, just एक बार ही पढ़े. एंड केमिस्ट्री में भी एक बार ये सब पढ़ा है. लाइक क्वेश्चन DNF लोग के करे थे, कोऑर्डिनेट और अमीन्स के क्वेश्चन नहीं कर रखे हैं. कोऑर्डिनेट का आइसोमेरिज्म वाला पार्ट है वो भी छोड़ रखा है. एंड फिजिक्स में क्वेश्चंस तो किसी के भी मतलब EMI के करे थे थोड़े बहुत, एंड उसके अलावा तो किसी के क्वेश्चन मतलब मैग्नेटिज्म के करे थे कुछ 10-20 दिन पहले, एंड बस उनके भी शॉर्ट नोट्स ही देख रही थी मैं. तो वही देखती हूँ अभी थोड़ा सा, एंड फिर मैं तैयार होकर के एग्जाम के लिए निकल जाऊंगी. 10 बजे से एग्जाम है, एंड इट्स नॉट गोना गो गुड, आई नो दैट, but what else I can do? I just need to go and give it the exam. Although I was thinking of not giving the exam, I was like, I'm not prepared, bro. But then I thought that it's just a practice test. Why I am behaving like as if it's like gonna, decide my grade or something? It's not gonna decide anything. So I should just go and check where I stand, or check what are the mistakes that I'm making in the chapters that I know. So it's better that I give the test. And it's for those of you who are not giving tests, thinking that they are not prepared enough, give the test basically. Like if you are not prepared, still give the test. If you are prepared like 50%, 68, 70%, give the test. You would never be 100% prepared for any test. Now that only like less than 2 months are left, which is scary. But at the same time liberating, like just 2 months are left, bro. Like give your all and then we are free. Sometimes I feel that way, sometimes I'm like, oh my god, just 2 months are left. Will I be able to do that? Everyone feels that. I just wanted to validate you because I know you guys must be thinking the same thing. Good morning people. So I woke up at around 5 a.m. and then did some morning rituals. Time right now is 5:20 and now I'm going to do a little bit of meditation. Yes, I started that as well. So I play this guided morning meditation, any of them 10 minutes. So now I'm done with meditation and now we're gonna start studying. So this is the to-do list for today which I made last night. And let's start our timer, and I'm gonna start with this group number 13 of P block. So I'm watching VT sir's lecture for P block, and I started with group number 13, and I'm watching detailed lectures because I haven't studied this chapter nicely in the classes. So I think I should watch detailed lecture and understand the concept before jumping on to like remembering it and all. So now I'm done with the lecture and time right now is 8 a.m. It took me quite a lot of time because it's a very long lecture. I think it was 3 hours. Anyways, and my study time is 2 hours and 14 minutes. Now let me just cut this off from my list. And after that I started with revising evolution chapter. Time right now is 10:35 a.m. and now I'm done with revising evolution chapter. It took me almost 2 hours to complete it, and my study time is 4 hours 14 minutes. And now I'm going to take a little bit of break. I'm gonna shower and have my breakfast and all. So yeah, let's cut this off from our to-do list. So after that I went to library and there I started practicing questions of evolution. So I'm doing these PYQs and NCERT exemplar questions of this particular chapter. So let's start. Finally done with it, so let's cut this off from our list. Now I'm going to start revising alternating current. So I'm gonna revise it from my short notes. So let's turn on our timer and start revising it. And after revising it, I'm also gonna solve its questions from module. And I'm not solving all the questions of module. These days I'm just doing PYQs questions because it's really difficult to solve all the questions because it takes a lot of time, and obviously we don't have that much of time. So I prefer to revise it and then just solve PYQs and then give a lot of tests. So basically I get to practice questions through tests. So that's the reason I'm like, okay, I'm letting it pass. I'm not solving that much of questions. After that, I actually went back home and had my lunch and all. And I also edited the video after having my lunch. And now I'm going to start revising molecular. So basically this molecular chapter, it's a very big chapter, and the first half of this chapter I'm pretty thorough with that. I've revised it quite a few times. But the last part, basically Human Genome Project and DNA fingerprinting, and also that gene expression wala thing, I didn't knew that. So I was like, let me just watch lectures for it so that I can be more confident in that chapter. So that's what I did. I revised the first part by myself and watched lectures of the last part. So time right now is 11 PM and I'm back from library. और task ठीक ठाक कंप्लीट कर लिया. अभी भी कुछ रहते हैं करने, हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ तो रह ही जाता है. EM वेव का थोड़ा सा पार्ट रहता है जो मैं सुबह उठते ही कंप्लीट कर दूंगी. अभी मैं अपने आप को ज्यादा पुश नहीं करना चाहती बिकॉज आई हैव टू वेक अप अर्ली द नेक्स्ट डे. इफ आई पुश राइट नाउ सो आई वोंट बी एबल टू वेक अप अर्ली. आई वांट टू मेक अ शेड्यूल वेयर आई वेक अप अर्ली बिकॉज आई रियली वांट टू. सो वी गोना डू दैट इन द मॉर्निंग. एंड पी ब्लॉक का ग्रुप 14 भी रहता है तो आई विल डू इट आफ्टर, आई डोंट नो व्हेन, बट आई एम गोना मेक टू डू लिस्ट फॉर टुमारो नाउ एंड देन आई विल स्लीप. Hi guys, good morning. I woke up at around 6 am and time right now is almost 6:30 and right now I'm doing this electromagnetic wave. So I was watching Alak sir's lecture from Ummeed Patch because I was not getting some of the things in my head, so I was like, let's just watch this lecture. So I'm gonna watch this lecture. I know I was supposed to wake up at 5 am but I got a little late because I didn't really heard the alarm and my mom switched it off because she thought that I need more sleep. I mean, which I need, but obviously I can't afford that right now. But anyways, now I'm gonna study. And electromagnetic wave में जल्दी से खत्म करते हैं. I already had notes of this chapter, so I didn't really make any notes, and I was just watching the lecture and solving the questions which are coming in between. It was a very easy chapter, but still I wanted to watch its lecture once, and then I revised it. So these are the scores of NBTS which was on 9th of March. So you can see the scores. Overall it is 493. And let me just show you the result of FT as well. So this is the score of FT. It was on 30th March. So these are the scores. I got 640 overall and you can see the individual scores. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you with a new video very soon. Until then, goodbye.